This is little baby Charlotte at 4 weeks and 1 day, snoring away just like her mommy.